Hi everyone, trust you all are doing great. Onyi Ongora here again, and now I want to share something with you all. Hope you can see my phone screen right now. I want you to take note of what you're seeing on my screen, guys. I want you to take note of what you're seeing on my screen. From the very first one, you're seeing bags. There is a reason why I'm showing you this, so please, I need you to follow me closely, okay? You can see, what are you seeing? More bags, and then you see clothes. Can you see shoes? Are you seeing those now? Clothes. Guys, I want you to take a look at what you're seeing. You can see shoes, you can see clothes. There is a reason I'm showing you this. Let's keep scrolling. Let's scroll for a second more. I want you to take note of what you're seeing. Can you see what you're seeing now? Please watch closely, guys. Majority of what you're seeing: bags, shoes, clothes. Now, why are you seeing more of bags, shoes, clothes on my home screen right now, on 1688 home screen? The reason why you're seeing this is that whenever I come on 1688 to source for suppliers, I take my time. Guys, I don't just come onto 1688 and source for 1-2 suppliers and go. No. When I mean to search for direct manufacturers, I take my time to do that. Most of you, when you're searching for suppliers on 1688, all you know how to do is to go onto the search bar and you search for handbags. That's an example. You search for handbags and then they'll give you pictures of handbags. You just go ahead and click. The next thing, you're already placing your order. Is that the best way to source for suppliers? Obviously it is not. There are other ways that you can use to spend your time. I usually advise my people, when you're sourcing for suppliers, especially those people that buy stuff in bulk, you don't want to mess it up. You want to take your time to source for direct suppliers that are legit. One, that will give you quality. Two, because on 1688, it is not all that glitters that is gold. It is not all that you see looking glam that are good quality. They can Photoshop their pictures and it looks perfect. When you now buy the item, you bring it down here and then you're staring at it, you'll be like, what is going on here? So it is not everything you see on the picture screen that is exactly what they are selling. So you have to take your time to source for suppliers that are legit, that will give you quality. Suppliers that will give you discounts, especially if you're buying bulk. You want to be able to bargain, and trust me, you cannot bargain very well if you're not buying directly from the right source. I buy bags and I buy bags in bulk, and for me to get good deals, I must ensure I am buying from the direct of the direct. In fact, some of my suppliers will tell me, Onyi, this design is not in stock. We know that currently they are preparing for their New Year holiday, right? They'll tell me, Onyi, this design is not in stock. We're going to start production in March. If your supplier is not direct manufacturer, you know they. But because I know that these are direct manufacturers, I know that they're going to start production of that design I want in March, it will be possible for me to buy it before the end of March. Now, some people say, oh, I don't have this. Your supplier can actually manufacture it for you if you're buying in bulk. And if you know how to get these manufacturers. Why am I saying this? I'm saying this to say that if you want to be getting good deals on 1688, you have to know how to get direct suppliers. You have to spend your time. Sometimes when I go to 1688 and I'm sourcing for a new product, right? Or maybe I have my student that is telling me, Onyi, I'm sourcing for this supplier and I'm not getting, can you help me? And I decide to help them. I spend more than 2 hours sourcing for that particular product. There is something about the 1688 algorithm. Let me call it the algorithm, yeah? When they notice that you're searching consistently for a particular product, they start flooding you with other sellers that are selling that type of product. let's take for instance, and you go on to 1688 and you're searching for laptop, you do picture search, you search with name, you're just into laptop. When you go out of your 1688 and you come back again, what you're going to see is more of laptop. Why? That's how the system works. They now feed you with what you want. So it's only when you spend your time searching for a particular product, you're going to get loads of stores that are selling that product, and then you take your time to start filtering. I teach people how to filter in my training. I teach them how to filter and ensure that they are buying from the right source. You now put all of that into practice. You start filtering to get the direct suppliers. Now, there are people that don't know how to do this. In fact, some know how to do it, but they are scared. What if I fall into the wrong hand? That is where Onyi comes in. If you don't know yet, people have been pre-ordering my 1688 manufacturers list. Yes, we are going to be dropping our 1688 manufacturers list on the 1st of February. Inside this manufacturers list, you're going to be getting nothing less than 40 direct manufacturers. 40 direct manufacturers that we have bought from before. It is not just random suppliers. These are suppliers that we know, we have bought from, we have tried, and they are trusted. For the past 2 years, I've been buying things like almost everything I need from 1688. I've not been doing that because I am just enjoying doing it. No, I have been doing it to run tests, to, buy things from different suppliers and know who are the ones that are giving the quality we want. And we've been able to get over 40 direct manufacturers of different products, ranging from fashion, think about bags, shoes for both ladies, guys, children, right? Electronics, solar products, phone accessories of different types, content creation tools. Guys, think about that thing you want to start doing. Think about that business you want to start. We have direct manufacturers for you, and I'm compiling this list. Aside that, you're getting a well-detailed video on how to shop. Let's say you're a newbie, you've never bought anything from 1688, you've never imported from China. When you get this manufacturers list, inside you're going to be getting a detailed video that will show you how to buy stuff directly on 1688 and pay with your Naira card, your local bank card. Yes, you can pay with your local bank card if you know how to do it. And I've been seeing lots of videos saying if you pay with your Naira card and you apply for a refund, you're not going to be getting your refund. Who told you that? I have my students that I taught how to pay with your Naira card. They did it and they tried applying for refund. It went through. They got their money back into their card. So you can use your Naira card successfully to buy anything at all you want to buy. No limits. If only you know how to do it. And that's what you'll be getting as bonus. Apart from the over 40 manufacturers list, you'll be getting this video as a bonus. And in addition to all of this, again, I'll be giving you at least 2 reputable, trusted shipping companies that you can use to ship your items from China down to your country. All of this is what you'll be getting for 15,000 Naira if you click on the link you see down in my description and pre-order this. Pre-order it today for 15,000 Naira. After today, once it is released on the 1st of February 2026, I don't know when you'll be seeing this video. Once it is released on the 1st of February 2026, please note that the fee for this will be 25,000 Naira. I'm doing this discount for people that are pre-ordering. After this month of January, anybody that is getting this in February 2026 and beyond, please, it is 25,000 Naira. You can click on the link you see down to make your purchase, or you can send me a WhatsApp message to the WhatsApp number you're seeing on the screen. The WhatsApp number is also going to be in the description. So whichever means is convenient for you, you order direct or you send a WhatsApp message and order for this particular course. Over 40 direct manufacturers list that you can click on and buy anything, kitchen item, household item, fashion, gadgets, anything at all you want to buy, you can click on their link and purchase. Just close your eye and buy, because we have verified everything for you. You're not verifying them again. We've done all the hard work for you, and we are giving you the best of the best of the best manufacturers on 1688. We are equally showing you how to buy and make payments with your bank card, with your local bank card, how to apply for refund if you need to, and in addition, at least 2 reputable shipping companies. That is what you're getting if you pre-order it today for 15,000 naira. After 31st of January 2026, it is 25,000 naira. So that's what I'm just here to remind you, should in case you've not pre-ordered yet. I don't know what you're waiting for, so I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you.